Okay, here's a little team to help open you up. And again, we're trying to take a look at different pieces. The shoulders, we're going to involve some tapping on this. And the idea is to help relieve stress, to help bring peace, to help bring the abilities to the body to open you up. So the first one is simply a swinging. Breathing rhythmically, do it. Tapping sides. Move up to your shoulders. A kidney in the back, on your shoulder in the front. Just move, tapping. This is important. Body movement. Come back to the present, where you're at. Feel that movement. More. Move on. It's a wide stance now. Work on putting up the shoulders. The shoulders back as they go out. It's okay. I'll move on to the next one. Now swing. Just moving. Swing. Weight. To leg. At the spine. Picking up your lower back. Okay. Now we want to be real intentional about discharging any stress from our body. Okay, so we're starting down, bring things up, push it down, pushing it away. With our hands, going up on my toes, dropping down my heels. Exhaling as I do it. Inhale. Let it go. Undo. Exhale. The ah sound. Just releasing it into the ground. Very good. And then just a final one. Circles. Take that leg with you. Leg and arm going together. Just like your video, follow twisting and flying. Rhythmic breathing. Exhale. 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 All right. Now just come together and just assess how you feel. Feel some energy moving. Feel some energy flowing. Just trying to get things loosened up. Connect to the moment here, presence, and hopefully a little bit more in peace, a little bit more energized, a little bit more feeling connected to this moment.